Right. Today's question was you are given a 3623 count number of trapezoids. You are given a 2D integer array points where points I is equal to xi or yi represent the coordinates of the ith point on the Cartesian plane. Right. A horizontal trapezoid is a convex quadrilateral with at least one pair of horizontal sides parallel to x-axis. Okay. Two lines are parallel if only if they have the same slope. K. Return the number of unique horizontal trapezoids that can be formed by choosing any four distinct points. Okay. Since the answer may be very large, return 10 modulo 10 raised to 9 plus 7. इनपुट ये दे रखा है 10203022. Right. में निकालना है. So firstly, trapezoid which is determined by distinct x coordinates x1 and x2, right, and two distinct row y values, right. They both contain point x1 and x2, right. So for every unordered pair x, count how many rows contain the pair. If the count is k, then that pair contribute c k2 कर देते हैं. We can accumulate trapezoids incrementally whenever we see a pair x1 and x2 again, right. So it contributes the current count of that pair to the answer. अप्रोच ये है ग्रुप पॉइंट्स बाय देयर वाई कोऑर्डिनेट्स मैप अप्लाई कर देंगे, राइट. फॉर ईच रो list of x iterate over all unordered pair x1 and x2 in that row, right, and then we maintain a map pair count from a packet x1 and x2 key to how many rows have seen that pair so far, right. And when processing a pair with current count c, add c to answer because this new row pair with each of those c previous row to form C new trapezoids, then increment the stored, and then after do all addition modulo LE, right. Time complexity B को n square हो जाएगी because typically all points are spread, so this time is for constant of the problem. And space complexity is B को P, where P is the number of distinct x1 x2 pairs, right. Let's do the code. Firstly we have to apply mode. Let zoom in. Right, so int mod int कर देंगे 9 plus 7, right. This is the mod. Then we apply map integer map is equal to new as map. This is, and then we do loop or end or end point 2 points. So end a कर देंगे point array 0, right. End b इक्वल टू पॉइंट एरो वार्निंग कर देते हैं। देन मैप पुट इफ एब्सेंट b dot new array list, right? Then map dot get right, and then doing long sum is equal to 0 and total equal to 0, right? Then for int num map dot key set, and then long is equal to long map dot get size. So Lilia, right? And then we do total. So total as into -1 2 then total answer 0, creating a loop for int num map dot key set, doing long और सेकंड लॉन्ग है हो गया तो लॉन्ग ही होगा मैप डॉट गेट num not size, long long curve to s into s minus 1, right? Then we're doing total right, and then answer is answer curl total mod, right? Answer curl to mod. Then we do return and Let's see. Compilation error into in. Now I corrected, and now we can see it running or not. Yeah, it's running. Do to submit the code. On for today's chemistry. Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow, right?